una di amin. Nabilawang kayo kakapsat na barang abigat. Na barang aldaw. Na barang arabi.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to get fucked up. Let's do it. Ha ha. LMFAO, you know it. Let's go. Yeah. All of the alcoholics, where you at? Let's go. Hey. 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 Let's go. Yeah.
When I walk in the club, all eyes on me. I'm with the party rock crew, all drinks are free. We like Ciroc, we love Patron. We came to party rock, everybody is on. Shots, 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 shots.
Everybody!
Shots, 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 shots. Everybody!
O, pag pumasok.
Ako ay isang model doon sa Ermita.
Just suck our cocks. We can get close. How about you? Bottoms up. Let's go round two. Shots, 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 shots.
Everybody!
Shots, 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 shots.
Everybody! If you ain't getting drunk.
Can't you see, brother Louie, Louie, Louie? I'm in love, set to free. Oh, she's only looking to me. Only love breaks a heart, brother Louie, Louie, Louie.
Let me see your hands up. What you drinking on? Jaeger bombs, lemon drops, butter in your bowls, yellow shots, kamikaze, rewind me, fuck all that shit. Give me some gin.
Shots. Patron's on the rocks and I'm ready for some shots. The women come around every time I'm pouring shots. Their panties hit the ground every time I give them shots. So cuffs in the air, everybody, let's take shots. If you're feeling drunk, put your hands in the air. And if you're trying to fuck, put your hands in the air. Now say I'm fucked up, I'm fucked up, I'm trying to fuck, I'm trying to fuck. Shots, Patron's on the rocks and I'm ready for some shots. The women come around every time I'm pouring shots. Their panties hit. So cuffs in the air, everybody, let's take shots.
Ako lagi nasasama sa atin si Sir. Paldo! Basa!
Patoldo ko na lang lagi. Crush mo ko to.
Just the pieces of the past to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. I feel like no one ever told you to me. Well,